Welcome to today's analysis. Of course, we are using Deriv for today's analysis. And just in case you're not familiar with the back of Deriv, you can check the description. I will leave a link there for you to register an account with them. Remember, they are available worldwide with minimum deposit of $5, and of course, they even open trade with as low as 0.20 cents. So I think that is actually interesting. Believe me, you can't actually regret ever using them. They have been there for years. So when I say I'll be using them, I mean I'll be using them, no regret at all. Anyway, that's aside. Let's start with the analysis where you're starting up with volatility 75 1 seconds. And of course, nothing much to actually say because we actually did this zone yesterday. We said if you want to go long, they want to see the market actually breaking above the lesson. That's for us to go long. But then on the short side, I want to see the market giving us series of rejection and making series of lower highs and lower lows on 15-minute chart, of which that really wasn't really confirmed. So we really couldn't take any trade yesterday on volatility 75 1 second, having that the market is just moving a little bit of in a ranging form or pattern, just so you can see it right here. So there was no any confirmation to tell us, okay, we can actually go long or short on this. So then if you want to go long on it, having that this market actually make a high here, stopping here, this is actually a long setup because they really take out this, stopping here, now breaking above, this is actually a long setup. But then let's see if we actually can continue moving bullish, then breaking above this previous high here. If that happens, then that means we are going high on the market. So that is what I've been looking forward to do today. So let's see, because already you can see this candlestick formation, they are not really giving us high momentum. The bearish focus on the day. You can see this bullish candlestick is actually a good momentum candlestick, but then you can see this bearish take candlestick right here. They are actually low momentum, telling us that there's no much of bearish pressure on this. So let's see if the boost is going to come in again, breaking above this. That happens, that means we can go long. And of course, stop loss is definitely going to be here. The take profit can be minimum of 1:2 weeks. So what we should be over time, overall, our long time take profit is going to be at. Let me show you the structure. Well, okay, let me use the 4-hour chart then. Okay, so our take profit is going to be at this level. So that's where the first tip is going to be. That's what we're going to be targeting. Then if that get broken again, we go here. But then first for today, this is our first take profit. All right, so please pay close attention to that. That's it. Let's go to the next one, which is 75. Okay, on 75, you can actually see the market actually looking very bullish, but then you can see some consolidation around this level. Is it consolidation getting exhausted of the bullish movement? So are we seeing the market moving bearish? That we can't say yet. So let's see. It's actually possible that market see break above this and continue. I still also possible that can actually see breaking below this to go bearish. But then let's see what's going on in the 15-minute charts. Alright, on the 15-minute chart, it's obvious that the market is actually still consolidating. So let's see what really it does. Is it breaking below this or is it breaking above this? Or that's really tell us where we are going next. If it's breaking above this, confirm, and I mean, not just to move above it, breaks above it, retest it, show signs of changing structure again. Then we go long on it. Of course, stop loss is going to be here, and then we can see that breaking structure onto the bearish. Stop loss is still going to be here. So please pay close attention to that. Alright, so that's that for 75. So let's go to boom, of which you'll be using boom 500. Okay, let's go to the 4-hour chart. Okay, it's actually looking bearish. So that let's see if you are continuing this bearish pattern or are we going bullish. Remember, if continuing the bear pattern, this is going to be our next stop. If you have to continue the bearish pattern, but then if I have to continue the bullish, then this is going to be the next stop. Okay, so let's go to 15-minute chart. Let's see what's going on there. Which structure are we seeing? Is it bearish or bullish? Now, let me use this to make it a little bit clearer. Breaking below this, confirming bearish structure. Now, not breaking above this, still confirming bearish structure. Retesting this, but they're not breaking above this bearish structure. You can see it. Now, break. Okay, let's say stopping here, then breaking below, bearish, still bearish, breaking below, still bearish. So now, so long as this level is not taken out yet, so that means we are still very much bearish. So pay close attention to that. I repeat, so long as this level is not yet taken out, this level is still validated, the market does not move above this structure, we are looking for bearish trade. So if you can see any bearish setups or bearish formation, then that means we can actually go short on boom 500. But for now, we are likely to see a bullish either the test of this, or then if it's breaking above the dynamics, we are likely to actually see a bullish structure going back to this zone. But so now this value, this level is still validated, then that means we are still bearish on boom 500. Okay, so let's go to the next one, which is boom 1000. On the 4-hour chart. Okay. Boom 1000, I'm not really comfortable with what's going on. It's actually looking bullish, so is it bearish? Now, if it gets to that, so tells us if we are going bullish or we are going bearish. If it's big above the dynamics, we are likely to start seeing bullish trade. But then, if it gets here, from what you are seeing, you can see candlesticks already losing momentum. So that means on the 15 minute, you can actually see just you can see it already. You can see the smaller candlesticks. So that's what that candlestick we are seeing on the 4-hour chart is actually telling us. So that means there's actually another consolidation. So after consolidation, just we saw it around here, you can see the market breaking above for us to actually think of a long trade, or then you can see the market start changing structure to the BS, telling you that this level is strong and can't break above for us to go short. Just the way it did right here. So whatever happens, let's see what the market is going to do. So keep finger crossed on boom 1000. So let's go to crash index, of which we are starting up with crash 500. Okay. Crash 500 actually broke above our, what is it called? Our trend line which we marked yesterday. Okay. So now breaking above this, what is telling us? It's likely telling us a bullish moment. But then the lowest touch on that is actually this level. So then if this level gets taken out, that means the market should break above this level again. That means see any bullish formation breaking above this, that means you can actually belong to this next level right here. Please take note of that. So let's go to 15-minute chart. Let's see what's going on. Okay. On the 15-minute chart, you can see it's still actually very bullish. So let's see what's gonna go, what is gonna happen. We are likely to actually see a break above this end. We're gonna go long on crash 500. Okay, let's go to the next one, which brings us to the last one, which definitely crash 1000. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. It's already, I've seen some bullish formation. Okay, it's already bullish on that and this. So that means I'm looking for bullish formation, of which I've already seen that on the 15-minute chart. I saw it earlier. So let's go back to that. So here's my bullish setup. Okay, so I'm going long. I'm going long on crash 1000. All right, so that brings to the end of the analysis with Deriv. Just like I said earlier, I said if you're not familiar with the broker called Deriv, you can share the description. I've leaving a link there for you to register an account with them. All right, that said, please, I wish everyone a profitable day trade ahead. Ensure you actually use this as a guide. This is not me telling you how to trade. This is not a financial advice. I'm only telling you what I do, my own perspective. You can use it as a guide to your own personal analysis and of course to have a better edge in the market. That said, I wish everyone a profitable day trade ahead. Please stay safe, trade safe, and don't risk more than you can afford to lose.